Welcome to my video where I'm going to share the secrets of gem colors and how they can affect your mood. Did you know you can use gemstones and crystals of different colors to create positive changes in your life? I'm your host, Natalia Hon, and I'm a jeweler based in beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia. For over 20 years, I have been working with different kinds of metals, stones, and crystals to create beautiful and unique pieces that reflect the personality and preferences of my clients. In this episode, I will share with you some tips and tricks on how to use gemstone colors to boost your mood and well-being. You will learn how color psychology can influence your emotions, thoughts, your actions, how color therapy can balance your energy centers, and which gemstones are best for different purposes. So grab your favorite gemstones and get ready to discover the power of color in your life. Now that you know that gem colors can affect your mood, let me show you some examples of how to use them to influence your mood and some examples of gemstones and crystals for different purposes. Let's start. If you're bored, wear orange gems to spark your enthusiasm and creativity. Orange is related to passion, pleasure, and expression. Some orange gems are carnelian, sunstone, orange calcite, or fire opal. But be careful how not to wear too much orange, because you might end up looking like a pumpkin. Another color that can affect your mood is yellow. If you're depressed, wear yellow gemstones to brighten your mood and stimulate your intelligence. Yellow is related to confidence, willpower, and logic. Some yellow gems are citrine, yellow sapphire, yellow jasper, and amber. Do you have any of these gemstones in your jewelry box? Let's move on to the next color, green. If you're stuck, wear green gemstones to inspire your growth and harmony. Green is related to love, compassion, and balance. Some green gemstones are emerald, jade, malachite, or aventurine. Do you have any green gems? How often do you like to wear them? Now that we talked about the green gemstones, let's move on to the next color, purple. If you're anxious, wear purple crystals or stones to calm your nerves and enhance your spirituality. Purple is related to intuition, vision, and wisdom. Some purple gems are amethyst, charoite, and sugilite. Do you wear this color? How do you feel when you wear this color? I sometimes feel like wearing purple sugilite, but not too often. Next color is red. Red gemstones are associated with fire, passion, love, warmth, and motivation. They can help you ignite your inner flame and express your emotions. If you are feeling low, wear red gems to boost your energy and passion. Some red gems are ruby, garnet, spinel. We all need a red gemstone sometimes, especially when we face challenges or need some inspiration. Red gemstones can remind us of our strength, courage, and passion. Now let's talk about blue color. I personally love blue gemstones because they make me feel calm and peaceful. Blue is related to communication, truth, and expression. Some blue gemstones are sapphire, turquoise, lapis lazuli, labradorite, or aquamarine. They're perfect for enhancing my creativity and clarity. what blue gemstone is your favorite? Moving on to pink color. If you're shy, wear pink gems to enhance your femininity and romance. Pink is related to love, compassion, and balance. Some pink gems are rose quartz, pink tourmaline, rhodochrosite, or kunzite. I am not a very romantic person, so I personally don't wear pink gems. Do you own pink gemstone jewelry? Let me know in your feedback. I am curious if people wear pink gems. Can you guess what color is next? White. White is a color that many people like, and for good reasons. White gemstones and crystals are often associated with purity, innocence, and peace. If you're feeling cluttered or overwhelmed, wearing white gems can help you simplify your life and bring peace to your mind. White is related to consciousness, enlightenment, and connection. It can help you clear away confusion and orient you toward practical action in the real world. Some white gems that you can use to influence your mood and enhance your style are clear quartz, moonstone, pearls, selenite, or diamond. I love white pearls. They are natural gems that symbolize wisdom, integrity, and loyalty. They also can balance your emotions and calm your nerves. Interestingly enough, there are many people who like the exact opposite of the white color, which is black. Black gemstones are often associated with mystery, power, and elegance. They can also represent protection, grounding, and transformation. If you're feeling dull or uninspired, wearing black gemstone jewelry can help you boost your energy and passion. Black absorbs and transforms negative energy into positive one. It can help you release negative emotions and patterns that are holding you back. Some black gems that you can use to influence your mood and enhance your style are black tourmaline, onyx, obsidian, or jet. And of course, black pearls. They symbolize strength, protection, and renewal. Black pearls are the best gems if you want to feel elegant and powerful. That's all for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and it inspired you to experiment with different gem colors and see how they affect your mood. Next time we will talk about how to choose the right level of color saturation for your jewelry depending on mood, outfit, and occasion. Color saturation is the intensity or purity of a color. It affects how bright or dull color appears. Choosing the right level of saturation for your jewelry can help you create different effects and moods with your style. Do you know how to choose the right level of saturation for your jewelry? Tune in next time to find out. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel and leave a review. You can also follow me on Instagram or YouTube for updates and tips about gem colors. Thank you for watching and listening, and have a wonderful day.